Hello everyone, welcome back to channel. Today we learn and draw alphabets. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Yellow color, green color, blue color, brown color, black color, and red color. So now you draw A and use yellow color. A for apple, A for aeroplane. B for ball, B for bag. It's now you draw C and use green color. C for cat, C for car. D for dog, D for doll. E for egg, E for elephant. So now you draw F and use blue color. F for fish, F for fan. G for goat, G for grapes. Now you draw H and use brown color. H for helicopter, H for hand. I for ice, I for ice cream. Kids, now you draw J and use black color. J for joker, J for jackfruit. K for king, K for kite. L for lion, L for lemon. Now you draw M and use red color. M for moon, M for monkey. N for nose, N for nest. So now you draw O and again use yellow color. O for orange, O for octopus. P for parrot, P for penguin. Now you draw Q. Q for queen, Q for quill. R for rose, R for rice. S for sun, S for snack. Kids, now you draw T. T for teacher, T for tiger. U. U for umbrella. U for uncle. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.